All right, I have to eat some crow. I found this Bondo wood filler on Amazon, and it's Bondo that's made for wood, not cars, for wood. I used it on this cabinet over here that I'm making, and it blends in so well. I highly recommend it. It goes on smooth. It is a two-part, just like Bondo. It smells like Bondo, but it's the consistency is not as dense as automotive Bondo, and I really like it. It works really well on my project here. This is that cabinet I'm making for my guitar. Just thought I'd show it to you here. All right, I'll be talking at you.